life has been slow, so there hasn't been a lot of content. I've been really busy with work and with family stuff, so I haven't been able to do a lot in the garage or on the motorcycles back behind me. Look at the Dax and the Grom. Today we're going to be replacing the license plate lights under here on this 2019 Corolla. We'll be using Sylvania incandescent 194s. Should be an image on the screen right now. I'm going to do this. You're going to fumble around. You're going to kind of watch me. And the only tool you really need besides your light bulbs is maybe a little number 2 flathead. And I'm going to show you real quick. So Toyota used the same part number for both left and right side. And there's just a little clip here. You can probably fit your flathead in there. And if you kind of push and pull towards the passenger side, it'll kind of loosen. And then you'll want to take your hand and shove up in the back and kind of push down from the back side. You'll see, and then if I just kind of push down from the back side, it just kind of drops right out. Alright, and it's really easy. And then, instead of trying to disconnect this connector, alright, you should hit it with a brush, a nylon brush, just clean off any dirt if you got there. See, I got some dirt in here I should clean up, and you'll just twist it right out. Give it a twist, give it a pull, and your bulb's out, just like that. See, that was really easy. And this actually has a brand new 184 in it. I did it just a little bit ago, but yeah, so I'm just going to twist this back in here. Alright, and then I'm going to tuck the passenger side up a little bit, line it up, and I'm just going to carefully push it, and it pops right into place. And then kind of do the same thing with the driver's side. See, I didn't even need the flathead that time. And then you just twist it out, same deal. Just kind of tuck it right there. And then again, laying down here, you can get your hand back up there really easy, and you can gently and kindly snap it back into its home. Now we're not getting the video off here. I am going to sit and talk about the motorcycles. I got some content planned and some content coming. On screen, you should probably now see me kind of riding around on the Grom. I've been practicing on the Grom. We've been taking it out and going for little family rides in the afternoon. So we'll get the Grom and the Dax out together. Really love both bikes. It's been absolutely joy. Now I do find that the Grom actually has a little sensitive of a throttle when I'm turning hard and to the right. I'm trying to lean into it. I find riding little figure eights and practicing balance and slow maneuvering, I actually find the Dax to be a little bit easier. So anyway, we finally covered 510 miles on the Dax, and we're coming up on 100 miles on the Grom. Again, life's been slow, so it's been hard to put the miles on. I've been just super busy with work and, you know, just generally trying to maintain a family. We did run up to the Minot, the North Dakota State Fair up in Minot, and that was actually really, really cool. You'll see a couple of clips here. We had to park nearby, $10 for parking. Entry was, I think, $12 a person, and then the rides were kind of expensive at $1.25 a token. And the Ferris wheel was 6 tokens a person, so that should give you an idea. It's like an $8 per person per ride. So we didn't really do a whole lot of rides, but we did check out a lot of the animals. We checked out the pig show, the cows, the goats. Maple loved the goats. It was super cute. So anyway, I just wanted to do something in the garage a little bit today. I've got a lot of plans. Before the video ends, I did notice that my Google Analytics, my YouTube Analytics shows that I have 142 subscribers as of today, and it says that about 49 of you actually are regular recurring visitors and come back and watch some videos every now and then. And I just want to point out and say that it's crazy. Thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate it. We're going to be doing a Grom and Dax comparison video coming soon. I got my Draggy out, and I've been doing some benchmarking, doing a lot of data collection, trying to make a good comprehensive Dax and Grom side by side. So anyway, this has been probably kind of a boring video. But I hope you come back either later this week, next week, and we get some good content. And thanks for watching, really. I hope something good happens to you today. We'll see you next time.